Hello, sweet sunshine. I'm Daisy the flower, and this is my garden diary. Every day, something new blooms out here. Buzzing bees, whispering roots, or tiny wonders you might miss if you don't look closely. Come sit with me, and I'll tell you what I've noticed today. Welcome back to my garden diary. Today's scribble is all about bees. Did you know that bees don't see the world the same way we do? Nope. While we see a rainbow of color, red through purple, bees see something extra, a color called ultraviolet. To a bee, flowers glow like signs that say, "Hey, pollen party right here." Some petals even have secret stripes and sparkles that show bees exactly where to land. We can't see them, but bees can. Imagine flying through the garden, and every flower is a blinking, shining map. That's how bees find their sweet treats and help our plants grow. So next time you see a bee buzzing by, just remember they're following magical patterns we can't even see. Isn't nature amazing? Thanks for blooming with me today. Keep growing, keep wondering, and I'll see you next time, right here in the garden.